Improper fertilization of our lawns and landscapes results in excessive nutrient loads in our waterways. High levels of nitrogen and phosphorus can lead to abnormal algae blooms in our rivers and lakes, impairing the natural balance of our ecosystem. Negative impacts can include loss of recreational activities, fish kills, and even human health alerts being issued. Do not fertilize lawns with nitrogen or phosphorus between June 1st and September 30th. One of the primary pathways for fertilizer pollution to enter our waterways occurs after heavy rain, when stormwater runoff carries fertilizer down the storm sewers and into our lakes and streams.
In springtime, in March through May, or in fall, October and November, we recommend customers select a 65% or more slow-release nitrogen product.
Always choose a lawn fertilizer with 0% phosphorus. Most Florida soils are rich in phosphorus. Adding more of it can contribute to the nutrient pollution in our waterways. Avoid phosphorus in fertilizers, only adding it if a soil test determines that it is needed.
So although we want lush yards and gardens, we also want to be mindful not to pollute our precious waterways. So we want to make sure that we're never fertilizing 24 hours before a rain event, if there's a named storm or hurricane coming our way, or if the soils are wet or saturated. We want to sweep up fertilizer on pavement, so using your deflector shield to make sure that you're not getting any fertilizer on the pavement to begin with, but if you do get it on a paved surface, such as a driveway or road, that you're sweeping that up and applying it either to the turf or back into the bag. Keep grass clippings on your yard away from storm drains. And finally, if you use reclaimed water to irrigate, your water already has that nitrogen and phosphorus in it. So you likely need less fertilizer purchased from the store, or you might need no fertilizer at all.
To learn more about our county ordinance, visit fertilizeflorida.com.